Yo, what's up? We are in Renon today. We're gonna have a dinner. We're starting from the dinner today. However, Renon is just the 5 minutes, 10 minutes from the Sanur, and the area over here looks definitely much more alive than any tourist attractions and tourist areas. So check this out, guys. So we are in the one restaurant in Renon, and you see almost full house everywhere around. And Sayang, how are you today?
I'm a bit tired after working, and it's weekend, Saturday. So yeah, this is how it is.
What do you have for dinner, Ali?
I had my babi kuah balung, like pork with a Balinese soup. So yum.
Nice.
Smacznego.
And I have some Western food, also very nice. Smacznego. Alright, we were in this restaurant. As you see, it's busy here, really busy. Traffic everywhere, people trying to park the cars, very tough. And yeah, we're gonna squeeze behind the cars and the shops, show you a little bit of the Renon.
Just finished dinner. You see that before, the place is always full booked. And I can say that the food is it's not that cheap and it's not that so pricey, so it's just medium. And then the taste is so good. It's not paid endorsement, you know. But yeah, we really like it. This is how it is, hustle and bustle life in the center of Denpasar. And this area is famous for the students. Is the school there, and also over there also is a university. So this is how hustle and bustle life in Denpasar at night.
Here is the Grab driving electric scooter nowadays. I think he's running out of battery. However, there are some local loud Dame bikes. That's nothing has changed. Like I said last time, this will never change in Bali. However, you have some chin chin. I don't know what the cuisine is that. 7 Barber, and yeah, that's the Denpasar. Renon Denpasar life. As you see, it's quite busy. Completely different to compare to the Kuta or Legian, for example. That's definitely like two different islands, I would say. But yeah, this is still the same. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Very busy indeed. So everywhere on this side of the street, there are like small coffee shops, restaurants, stuff like this. And on the other side, there's already street food, like what we have, nasi goreng, some other gorengans, nasi padang. There will be lalapan somewhere at the front. Many tasty things. The lalapan, if you're coming to Bali or Indonesia, you should try at least once eating lalapan, which is fried chicken or fried fish.
With the sambal and salad, fresh sambal and fresh salad. It's so tasty.
And spicy at the same time.
Yeah, but at this time I am not really want to eat lalapan. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how
I just feel like I want to eat the soup, you know.
Alright, and that's it. From the perspective of the street, that's how it looks like, quite busy.
So nowadays you see that just around here is so many coffee shops, and then this area is also famous for the youngsters, and you see that in the coffee shop already many youngsters sitting having a coffee with their friends, chill, you know, like with a boyfriend or girlfriend. Just another Saturday night in the city center of Denpasar.
That's right. By the way, driving like this in Bali, unless you are sitting on the something in the truck, is normal, no problem at all. Still normal. Like I already mentioned, nowadays in Bali, even in Denpasar, is the coffee shop with the coffee machine, and that's the nowadays big trend. And also live music in Denpasar nowadays is also. So everything is changing in Bali into that way. Alright, so we are moved to a more quiet area now, maybe having some ice cream and maybe some coffee. This is called Gusto Gelato or something like that. Meanwhile, very beautiful mural behind me. So check this out, this place also in Denpasar in Renon. So here is the kind of big ice cream shop and cafe shop with the plenty of sittings and stuff like this. Let's see how's the gelato today. Ooh, gelato, gelato. So many flavors here. They have also the same shop in Seminyak if you are interested and you are familiar with it. However, this one is bigger. And so I'm gonna choose some. You already know what you're gonna choose, honey?
Oh my god,
So many,
this
yeah.
one is so many choices. I don't know which one that I want to choose. But yeah, for sure I want to have the chocolate.
How's your ice cream then?
So good.
Like it?
After a long, exhausted day and working on the weekend, I feel like,
Not in the best mood, yeah.
no.
Working on Saturday sucks, isn't it?
Yeah,
I know.
I love it. Thank you.
No. Copy is coming.
Yes, yeah.
Not so bad.
Makasih.
Thank you. So this is the parking and the area of Merdeka Street in Denpasar.
Yeah, and then right in front of me is the hotel school in Jalan Merdeka.
Damn loud bikes.
I really hate loud bikes.
Okay, 50 years more will be electric, but continue what we were saying.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Renon. This one is not paid endorsement and our dinner also not paid endorsement. So we are just showing you how our daily life. I think that's all our video today. We need to go home and see you tomorrow. Bye!